All right. Good afternoon, guys. I'm just here. I'm trying to see so that way that you guys can figure some things out. Once you log into your Google Chrome, you're going to have a tab open like this. If it doesn't prompt you to Fort Worth ISD, I want you to see right here. You could put Fort Worth FWISD.org and it'll take you straight to the Fort Worth ISD app. If you want to bookmark this, you can. You go to students. This is where we're going to be working from. Okay, so this is the student link. I want you to click my Fort Worth ISD, and then it should be able to show you this. So my Fort Worth ISD portal, if you're logged into the Chromebook, then it would give you something like this. It says sign in with Microsoft. It is on my account right now, so you'll be able to see that it'll go straight to my account, and it'll pop up my ClassLink Launchpad, and then it'll give me links like this. Yours is going to look a little different. You will still have the Achieve here, and you will have the Pathblazers down here. If you log in to your Achieve, all you have to do is click it, and it'll automatically open up your class. You do not have to log in. All you got to do is click it. Click one of those. I'll tell you which one you're going to do for the week. You log in, and then it'll show you what you're going to work on. Of course, this is mine, so mine's going to look a whole lot different than yours. What I want you to look at is I have already added a Google Classroom for everybody. So at the moment I have, in your apps, you're going to go to my apps, and then you're going to go to your Google Classroom. So your Google Classroom is going to look like this, and it's probably going to be up here, but I want you to click it, and it'll automatically open. So your class is going to look like this, okay? So your setup looks almost like this. So you're just going to click the classroom, and then this is our classroom, okay? I have already set something up for you, and it says, hi guys, I'm so glad you are here. I miss you. So I also have put up something so that you can answer. It is a multiple choice question. So all you got to do is click it here, and then mine looks a whole lot different than yours. Remember that, okay? So 2 people have already turned in their stuff, Emmanuel and Giselle. On yours, it's just going to show you how to do something, okay? It's going to tell you what is the season. You have to choose it, multiple choice, and then I'll grade it, okay? So this is our link. Our classwork is going to be right here. So if you go to classwork, this is where I'm telling you that you would have to, answer the question. Of course, mine looks different than yours. Then here is everybody that I have on here. And if you need, I have only 2 other students that have been invited and have not yet. It's okay. We got it figured out. Okay. Then my grades, I'll show you later on what comes up. Okay. So this is what is very important. I already put everybody in this classroom, so nobody has to go and activate anything. Okay. You don't have to activate your Achieve. You do not have to activate your Pathblazers. You guys know how we work on Pathblazers. Pathblazers, you just click that and it goes straight to it. Of course, mine always is going to look different than yours, okay? I will log into one of yours, and then I'll video record that so that you can see. And then, but I just want you to see from mine where you just clicking and going in. All right. So those of you that do not have a Chromebook, you still can open a tab on anything. If you have an iPad, just open a tab, go to the Fort Worth ISD app, and then, the same thing, it's going to tell you where to go. Just like I showed you before, all you do is click Students. When you click Students, you click My Fort Worth ISD. Once you get here, That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Of course, you know, once you get to this area, it's going to tell you, you know, log in with Microsoft. It'll log you straight in if you're on your Chromebook. If you do not have the Chromebook, then you will log in only if you don't have. If you're on a different computer that's not Fort Worth ISD, then you will need to type in the S and your ID number at stu.fwisd.org and then your password. Okay, but if not, then everything else is on there. Again, if you do not have anything else, I still want you guys to do Splash Math. So all I want you to do is go to splashmath, okay, .com, and some of you have already been on there. Okay, this is, it says Splash Learn, which is something different, but it's still the same thing. Okay, this is the sign in. I want you guys to go to class, and then you're gonna put in the code. That code is gonna help you get in so that you can log into yours. Okay, so the code for every class, for our whole class, is JGPGFD. And then it's going to take us straight to here. And just because it's for fun and Adrian's the first one there, I'm going to put Adrian's code in there. Okay, and then we're going to go in there, and if you see, Adrian has already done some assignments. He's been doing this. So all he has to do is go to this curriculum. You could do My To-Dos or curriculum. Then you can just keep going. You have plenty of stuff to work on, guys. There is no excuses on you don't have anything to do, because you do. So once you start that, you could do that. Also, everybody knows how to get into their Prodigy. If you do not have your Prodigy account, you guys need to let me know so that way we can get you set up in the Prodigy. I can set you up. I'll give you your password, but prodigy.com, it's going to look like this. Okay, so you're going to go to your Prodigy game, and it's going to look like this. And here's where you're going to put your username and password. Okay, education.com. You're going to go to education.com. I am going to set that up before the week is up. Again, you guys know you can click games. You can look and do the sight words. It'll let you work on it. All you got to do is push play. It'll push play, and there it goes. Okay. You do not need a subscriptions or nothing. And you guys know how to do this.
By clicking on mud piles.
So that's that. You also can go to the Dolce site games. Okay, so there's plenty of things that you could do. Dolce word games. Okay, I will put all this in our thing so that you can check it out. Then you click this, and then it'll show you this. You're going to click that again, and then you're going to do play full screen. You always want to enable that. So this is where you're going to also be able to do your sight words. Okay, I am able to get in here, so remember, you just click.
She.
Okay.
That.
Okay, that's how you do that, and it tells you how many you've paired, how many have you paired, how many have you not paired. On ABC Mouse, the same thing. ABC Mouse. Everybody already has a login. And those of you that don't have the login, please give me a call. Whenever you log in, it should look just like this, and you're going to push student login. And just for the fun of it, because Adrian's the first one, we're going to click Adrian's name. Okay?
Welcome back.
And then it'll go like this. None of these are on because I have disabled them. I need you to do my learning path. Okay? And then you're going to go to that learning path, and it's going to keep you going. Because right now, we need to do the solar system. So Adrian's already on level 5 on lesson 12. So everybody's going to be on a different learning path. So I just wanted to let you see that. And that's about all I have, guys. but this is how we're going to get in. So you're going to do your student sign in, click the Fort Worth ISD. If you need to log in, then I need you to go ahead and log in with your passcode that I have already provided for you. Those of you that still need it, please give me a call, text me. I am willing to help you out. Those of you that have Miss Thomas's number, you're welcome to do that as well. Okay, again, if you need my help, I'm going to put a newsletter up here in about an hour so that you can see what we're working on, okay? It's going to be on Class Dojo and Facebook. Thanks, guys.